everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. And for those of you that are new here, my name is Dolores. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and it's a month that's near and dear to my heart. I'm wearing my little breast cancer awareness shirt that it says, "Believe in a cure." And there's the little pink ribbon there. And many of you that follow me know that my daughter is a breast cancer survivor for 9 years now. So I always like to do something special this time of the year. So I already put on my channel one breast cancer recipe, and today I'm going to make for you another. So stay tuned. Alrighty, today I'm making for you strawberry kiss cookies. And the star of that show is these pink strawberry ice cream cone kisses. And this is the bag they came in. It's a limited edition, and it's from Hershey's, and they're called strawberry ice cream cone kisses. It says strawberry flavored cream and cookies with other natural flavors, and they are a special edition. I think they are for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So, without further ado, we're going to get started. So what do you say? Let's get started! Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is preheat my oven to 350 degrees. And then what I did off camera is I took a cookie sheet and I put a piece of parchment paper on it. So now I'm going to take a large bowl. These cookies are, oh God, they're soft and chewy. If you like a soft and chewy cookie, they have that delicious melted strawberry chocolate ice cream cone in the center. They're going to have little sprinkles on them, and you're going to love them. So, here we go. Oh, and before I forget, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you go down below and hit the red subscribe and the little bell twice. And that's all there is to it. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, because that's the only way YouTube will promote my channel, and I'll be able to bring these delicious desserts to you. So, alright, I have my large bowl here. So in here, I'm going to cream together my butter and my sugar. Now, I will put the recipe down below in the description box for you, like I always do. So I have here a half a cup of unsalted butter that I have sweetened. And along with that, I'm going to put in 1 cup of granulated sugar. Now I'm going to take my hand mixer today, and I'm going to mix the sugar and the butter until it's fluffy. So here we go. Woo! And for those of you that are used to watching me, I do try to have a little fun when I do my videos. I mean, there's no reason you can't bake and have fun at the same time, right? And I am trying once in a while the dressing character. I used to do that all the time. And with, oh my gosh, Halloween coming, Thanksgiving, and Christmas, I'm on fire. So make sure you continue to look for my videos. Okay, so after I've mixed that till it's nice and fluffy, I'm going to add to it my milk, and I have here, now I'm going to add to it my milk, and I have here 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to put in there 1 egg at room temperature, some vanilla. I can't talk today. Oh my goodness. I'll be putting in there 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So here we go. Move this over here. Move this out of the way. And now I'm gonna mix these ingredients together. Pretty easy recipe to make. And if you prepare all your ingredients ahead of time, it's like 1, 2, 3, and you're done. It's coming out very creamy. Okay, I have all that mixed together. Next, I'm going to add in my other dry ingredients. So I'm going to add to this. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. A 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay. Now I'm going to mix all of that together. Start it out on low so the flour doesn't make a big flour cloud. Woo! I'll get this all mixed off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, I have that all mixed. So I'm going to take out my cookie sheet that I've lined with a piece of parchment paper. Now I'll bring my bowl over here. Now you can use a regular spoon if you like. I happen to have this cookie scooper here. So what I'm going to do is, now you have 2 options. I'm going to scoop it out, just like this, and I'm going to roll it into a ball. Now, if you don't want to have sprinkles on your cookies, you would just put them just like this on the cookie sheet, okay? Now, I happen to have here these little tiny, I just love them. They're breast cancer ribbons. They're teensy-tiny little ones. And I also have here some small, pink, of course they have to be pink, little sprinkles. So, what you would do is, if you want to have sprinkles on them, take your ball, roll it in the sprinkles, just like that, and put it on the cookie sheet. Now these are pretty big. You can make them smaller if you want. I personally want to have sprinkles on mine because it's for breast cancer, and you have to think pink with breast cancer. So here we go. Your hands, make sure they're nice and clean. Roll it. Oh, I think I'll put some little breast cancer ribbons on these. I have them in little containers here. There we go. Whoops. Okay. So adorable. Phone's ringing. I hope the cameraman will answer it for me. Otherwise, I'm going to have to call them back. Put some more sprinkles on here. Okay. And right down on there. Leave spaces, like you normally would between your cookies. Okay. When you make, well, I always make, I think they're called peanut butter blossom cookies. They're the peanut butter cookies that you put the chocolate kiss in the middle. Well, these are very similar, only you're using a strawberry ice cream cone kiss. There. I'm using a big scoop. They sell smaller scoops, but depends on how big you want your cookies to be. So you get the idea. In fact, maybe I'll just leave one plain, so after they're baked, you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to continue doing these off screen, because I don't want you to have to sit and watch me roll all these balls. But what we're going to do is we're going to bake them. We're going to bake them in our 350-degree oven for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. And then when you take them out, what you're going to do is, while they're still warm, you're going to take one of those strawberry ice cream cone kisses and you're going to press it right in the middle. So let me finish these. Let me get them in the oven. And once they're baked and out of the oven, well, I will take them out, put the kisses in there, and then later we'll do a testing. taste testing. But what I wanted to mention too is two things. Don't forget to get your mammograms if you're due. Don't put it off, because honestly, it could save your life. I mean, that is what happened to my daughter. My daughter went for a routine mammogram and found out that she had breast cancer. And she did what she had to do, and thank God she is a 9-year survivor. And I will put the link down below in the video for those of you that are new here that haven't followed me. And it's a video I made with my daughter a few years ago, and it's called A Conversation with My Daughter, Her Breast Cancer Journey. So if you're interested, you can click that link below and you can watch that. So let me get these babies in the oven and I will be right back. Don't go away. Okay, look at these beauties. I just took them out of the oven and I made them a little bit larger. You can make them smaller and then you can get more, out of the batter. So I'm going to put these down because once you take them out of the oven, you're supposed to put the kisses in right away while they're still hot. So I'm going to take these cute little pink kisses and push it right down into the cookie. These are beautiful, and the ones with the breast cancer ribbons are adorable. And I will definitely put some stills in for you. So cute. And then you're going to wait till they're completely cool before you take them off here and you put them on a cooling rack. I made a couple without any sprinkles on them because actually the cookies are not strawberry flavored. It's just the kisses are. Let me just try to hold this up so you can see, if they don't slide down, what they look like with the kisses in them. Can you see them at all? Well, I'll put stills in for you later. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to finish putting the kisses in. I'm going to let them cool. I'll make my other batch. And then when they're all nice and cool, I'll be back and I'll give these breast cancer strawberry cookies a taste. So don't go away. Look at these. I took them out of the oven. I let them cool after I put the kiss in them. And this is definitely Think Pink. So now I'm going to do a taste testing for you. So let me put this down. Oh, they're so pretty. I don't know which one is nicer. I don't know if the one with the breast cancer ribbons is the cutest or the one with the sprinkles. I don't know. Well, anyway, I'm going to take a nice bite of this. These are supposed to be nice and chewy. And like I said, the cookie doesn't taste like strawberry, just the kiss does. You take them out when they're a little golden brown. Mine took about 12 minutes. If you make them smaller than this, you'll get about maybe 30 cookies out of this. I probably got about 2 dozen because I made them big. So what do you say? Here we go. Chewy. Oh, soft. Chewy. Now, you don't bite into the part where that melted kiss is. Tastes a lot like a sugar cookie. Now let me bite into where the kiss is and see if we get that strawberry ice cream flavor. Yes, we do. Very good. So, once again, I dedicate this to my daughter Dawn, a 9-year breast cancer survivor. Remind you all again, get your mammograms. It can save your life. And thirdly, make these cookies. They're yummy. So, if you haven't already subscribed, don't forget, go downstairs, go down below, and hit the red subscribe, the little bell twice. If you like what I did today, give me a thumbs up. And I really appreciate you all for taking time out of your busy day to watch me. I enjoy baking, but I don't just want to bake. I want you to learn what I'm doing, and I want you to bake. So anyway, take care, everyone. Love you all, and I'll see you all very soon. Now, I'll finish my cookie. Toodles!